How to use BeReal application. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to use BeReal application. So first just head over to your Play Store and simply search in for BeReal application and just download it, and depending upon your internet connection it will be automatically downloaded and installed on your device. So always make sure that your application name is correct, that is BeReal, your friends for real is the real application name. And now simply open. So once you finally open it, you can simply open the application just like this and just enter your phone number from over here. And once you enter your phone number, simply click on the send verification text. And once you successfully enter your OTP code, simply enter your first name just like this, or your full name, which your friends should call you, and simply click on continue and just enter your date of birth as well, and just click on continue and enter your username. You can always change this later, and just click on continue once again. And you can now simply add the people you really care about, so you just have to allow all of your contacts to be accessible from this application. And you can just easily add any of the friend if you have on your contacts. So as you can see here, I have one friend available on this BeReal application, so I'll simply add that person and just click on continue. So here you have to consider that the only way to know when to post a BeReal is to enable the notification. So just allow the notification from over here, and you can just tap on this post your first BeReal button over here to simply start using your BeReal application. And as you can see, once you capture a photo with your BeReal, so it basically means that you have to show your face and as well as your background image where you are actually being real towards all of your friends. So you can basically share it with your friends only, or you can just simply click on this send button over here to send it towards your news page, towards your feed page, and simply click on confirm. You can also change your profile picture as well, and you can just click on this profile button to change your profile picture just like this. And you can just click on this profile button to actually share your profile with other friends as well. And under this friends section you will be seeing all of your friends to whom you have added, and under this friends of friends you can basically see the friends who you have added and their friends as well. So basically you can just click on this share your BeReal to discover your friends. So the BeReal which we just created, this you can easily share it with the other friends as well to discover new audience just like this, and your BeReal will be visible to all of your friends. So in the meantime you can always try adding more friends. You can also use this chat feature if you have friends over here, and you can just click on the search button to search for friends and other pages as well, or popular accounts if you have one. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.